Samedi was home alone and she captured something on camera. But this is not the first time she caught something unusual. While being at work, Sammy goes inside a room and she captured this.
What the heck is that? Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, no.
If you listen closely, you can hear someone crying, although it's faint, but you can hear it. After a few days have passed, Sammy once again encountered something pretty creepy. Naturally, Sammy was spooked, but the most unsettling incident has to be the one that recently happened inside their home while Sammy was by herself when she recorded this.
God. Seriously?
Just like the video before, something was banging on the door, and it only stopped after Sammy opened the door, and the same as before, she saw nothing. The strangest part about this video isn't this, because upon opening the pantry door, if you listen closely, you can hear someone whispering for help, and viewers can't help but think that Sammy had brought something home from work, which now introducing itself to Sammy. But this is just a theory. Write your thoughts in the comments. Victor was working at a train station, but what he does there is unknown. But regardless of what he does, he always seemed to have late night shifts. However, during one of these late night shifts when he captured something terrifying on camera, while Fernando and his coworkers were walking beside a train that sparked, he caught something without them even noticing. Someone or something appears to be looking out the train windows. What do you think of this encounter? And what would you do if you're in this situation? Mel Berkstead was on her way to her doctor's appointment and was taking a shortcut in the park to get there. The video took place in Sweden during the winter times, hence it's mostly dark. As she was on her way to the hospital, she took out her phone and started recording, but she didn't know that she's about to capture something downright creepy. Watch and see for yourselves.
Murder den här veckan och jag undrar vad han kommer ställa för diagnos på mig. Och alltså, det är så jävla
It was only after the viewers who pointed it out that she noticed it. There appears to be some sort of figure picking at her behind a tree. It's still unclear as to who or what this might have been, but viewers say that this might be a ghost. But whatever this might have been, she have been taking a different route ever since. Ryan wrote, "So, I was just sitting at home alone. The parents were out and I kept hearing the weird sounds again. But this time, I decided to record for a change, and this is what I caught. Really creepy.
What the This is what I mean. Crazy shit. Is it like hello? Oh my god. The light on. Oh my. Oh. Phone's upstairs. Oh my. I clear. I'm going to leave the lights on. I swear to I seen something. Right. Right. I need to go. There's my phone.
It might be a stranger who broke in, but whatever it might be, it still is very creepy. Marlene White was inside her bathroom when she captured something really creepy on camera. Marlene wrote, "Please tell me that I'm not crazy." Here's the video she posted along with the text video where she explained what's going on. So see for yourself.
What the hell is this? I only have one baby at my house today. The rest of them are with
Hello?
grandma. You can clearly hear my baby in the living room crying. I was on the toilet when I felt like something was watching me. I've been on edge ever since I took a picture and my dad was behind me by the door. So I decided to turn the camera on and record. This is not my dad. I don't know what it is. I know you seen it move before and after, I gasped.
Who are you? Hello?
It looks like someone is standing outside. Maybe it's one of her children, but Marlene said that there was only one child in her house, and that child is in the living room playing. To prove that it's not her child, she illustrated another video that her child was standing outside the bathroom.
Stand in the shower real quick so I can show people something, please. Shut the door. Dang, you colorful, boy. Okay, you can get out. Come here, child. This is literally what you guys want. Like, that was not my babies in the shower. Please just stop. There's no way. Say there's no way. I would never get in that scary thing. I'm so scared.
Marlene has no idea as to who or what this might have been, but viewers can't help but speculate that this might be a ghost. But what do you think? Write your thoughts below. Ghost hunter Ali Aslan is inside an abandoned house located in the middle of nowhere. There have been only a couple of people who've checked out this place, but not a single person caught anything as unusual as Ali had when he visited this house. Ali is exploring the place when out of nowhere, this happened.
Bismillah. Allahu Ekber.
It's worth mentioning that it was raining outside by the time of this recording, and it could be caused by the rain or wind from outside. That could be the case, but what happened next as Ali exited the house was beyond explanation. What he caught on camera is perhaps the creepiest encounter he ever had. Ali doesn't know what this was, but the viewers agreed on one thing, and that is this someone or something is most likely observing Ali all the time when he was inside. If that's not scary, then I don't know what is. Martha was home alone when she captured the following footage on camera. Martha wrote, "This is my daughter's dog. There was absolutely nothing there. At least nothing we could see, but
And have
he
no
could."
risk of life. We can reduce almost all traffic fatalities on our highway if we would take the speed limit down to 5 miles an hour. But we don't do that, right? We accept that we
Viewers of the video speculated that the dog was sensing something that we can't. So if that's what's going on in this video, then what exactly is it seeing? And what could be the reason that it's growling? Whatever the reason is, it's unsettling to witness a dog growling at nothing.